Okay, I've loaded the Illustrator file that we created in Maya with our vector render into Rhino, and this is what I get. I get a flat, basically a flat 2D illustration, sort of like analogous to a Make 2D illustration. Now let's look at this more closely. I'm going to expand the top window so that we can look at it more closely. And I'm going to come over here to my layers because truly we got vector curves here. But one of the nice things, remember with that solid fill that we use, we can extract some really valuable information from it. So we can check on the outline, and we have this curve that basically describes the border. I'm going to hold down the Shift key. There's another curve that describes the interior there. There's another curve that describes that interior there. So basically we have silhouettes. So I could create a new layer and change the object layer here, and I would probably paint those blue because they would probably be an intercut, and change the object layer once again just to make sure. Those lines are now blue. They're my intercut lines. I could select these objects, and I could probably change this layer to red and retitle it Engrave. I could then create a new layer, and I could call that layer Outer Cut, paint it magenta, and draw a box. I'm going to use a rounded corner around my object, like so. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to put this on that magenta layer. And there we have it. We have a composition that is ready for engraving, cutting, and inlay using our laser cutter, and that's using a Maya. That's using a Maya workflow, and that works pretty nicely. And I like the fact that you can use your color fill basically to produce your mask. That's a really nice touch. This describes sort of like the Maya to Rhino workflow illustrator, but this is a good combination working with Maya and Rhino to format files for laser engraving. Thank you.